Here we are, guys. Last day of the giveaway. If you haven't got your entries in now, I don't know what else to tell you, but today's the last day to get your entries in. Like I said, 10-time entries all month of May, and today's the last day of May. So that's it for the giveaway. Man, I can't wait to see where it's going, if it's staying in Cali or if it's going out of state. Let's see. Good luck, everyone. Oh yeah. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. Okay, so as you guys seen, today is the last day to get your entries in. So we're officially here towards the end of the giveaway, guys. Last day. That's crazy. It's gonna be sad to see this truck go. It really grew on me. Just, you know, the sunroofs, the front end, the hood, the extended cab, the bed, the wing, the paint job, the drop, the wheels. Man, I freaking love it. What is your guys' favorite part of this truck? Drop it down in the comments, and if you guys got some entries, leave a thumbs up. Hell yeah, guys. So right now we're gonna be doing a few more things to the truck. We're gonna be installing the sound system, the 212s from Kicker, and making sure everything sounds good and plays good, you know, it doesn't cut off or anything. We're also going to be fixing right here, the center console cover, because it is broken pretty much. So we got a brand new one down there. Just big shout out to all my sponsorships, all my supporters, all of you guys, my team. It's been a wild ride. And yeah, so let's head out to Mike's house. We're going to be doing the install there, since he's really good with wiring and doing systems and all that. So let's go, guys. We're also gonna give it a wash with the one and only Killer Wax soap. If you guys haven't tried any of his products, go ahead, try it out, man. I swear, all his products smell delicious. Like this one, straight up fucking pineapple, piña. You just wanna drink it, you know, but you can't. Don't drink it. All right. But yeah, go ahead, check out his website at killerwaxsocal.com, and I'm gonna try to get you guys a discount code with my name on it. So we'll talk to him about that, since we're always repping him, you know. Killer Wax SoCal only. So get your guys' stuff. Let's go, guys. All right, we're here at Mike's house. He just had a party yesterday. He's a little crudo right now, but he don't like menudo.
What a party. What a night. Alright, what are we doing?
So this is the box. This is the box we got to work with. Yeah. And these are the fucking...
Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Some kickers.
Oh yeah. So we already opened these at the shop. But I have a little unboxing for you guys. So I'll show you guys here.
Very nice.
Dude, I've never had kickers before.
Never?
And I'm still not gonna have any.
I know, I was like, they're going away.
Damn, perfect fit.
Yeah, yeah.
And you gotta screw it down right here or what?
Yeah. You get it all wired up.
Can I touch this?
Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom.
You get it all wired up and then we'll get going.
5.7 RT, Emmy? No, don't do a burnout right now. What the hell? Oh. Not here. Oh. Hey, little one. Hey, right here, look. Cinematics. Go, go, go. Oh, my head. Oh.
Watch out, Maddie. Move.
Oh, you want me to bring the gimbal?
Whatever you can handheld.
No, I'll just do.
How's it going so far?
Damn, bro. excited.
How much you charge to do a whole system, bro? For anybody asking in the comments.
I don't know. 200 bucks.
200 bucks?
Full install, stereo, everything.
There you go. You guys heard it.
You buy the parts.
Mike's Audio Shop. Hit him up. Damn.
Ooh.
Hey.
That one.
Look at that shit. So next we're gonna replace this. You didn't see that. We're gonna replace this new top piece from the center console. Replace it because the old one's broken, so I'll be better off for the new giveaway winner, you know, to have a new one. Do you know how to install that? Yeah. Pretty easy? Pretty easy. Alright, ready? Hey, where'd you get that shirt, bro? I got bigoldcrew.com, so get your merch ASAP. Damn, I wish that was the website.
It was Big Old Chubbs, not Big Cartel. The website.
It was Big Old Crew?
No, it's not.
Hey,
Big
bro,
Old Crew.
where'd you get that shirt, dude?
Where's
it again? Big Old Cartel?
No, Big Old Chubbs.
Big Old Chubbs?
Yeah, Big Old
Oh,
Chubbs.
I got it from Big Old Chubbs.
Big Old Chubbs. Big Cartel.
Oh, okay. BigOldCrew.com.
No. Big Cartel.
Just go online and fucking get it, man. Done with this shit.
Stop by the fucking shop. You want your fucking shit.
Hey, that one didn't have a piece, dude. Tomorrow's the last day.
That's what I'm saying. This one.
Well, to them, right here, this is the last day.
It's over here. Look.
Damn, so we're gonna have to take them out then, bro?
I think it's safer to take them out, to be honest. So
Huh?
I think it's safer to take off these front speakers.
Why?
Because they are shorting out, and we don't want this truck to catch fire or anything like that. So for safety purposes, we're gonna take out these speakers.
So whoever wins it, gotta put them themselves. Yeah, guys. So Mike figured out why these speakers were shorting out, and it's pretty much a safety issue. So we're gonna remove them. So whoever wins it, you're not gonna get the outside speakers, but you're still gonna get a badass system. It's still sick. Yeah. But if you guys do want outside speakers, just go ahead and install them yourself. Whoever wins the truck, you know.
Just keep it safe.
I wanted to leave them in there, but it's not safe. It was very Mickey Mouse, and it keeps shorting out. So we don't want to cause a fire, or whoever wins it to cause a fire. And you know, there goes the truck. It's on fire. We'll leave the wires in there and tape them up then. So for future reference, they can just wire them up, you know, real quick. There you go. There you go, guys. Right there. Here's to get the shifter on. So we're gonna take off the NOS buttons since they don't work no more.
These are good.
Oh. I was gonna say, what the fuck? Don't forget to get your soap. They were like, oh shit, they gave this trick away.
Oh my god, it's so totally cool.
I want one. We're gonna leave that there. You know until what? Tell them. Alright, so we're gonna leave this inside, so if anybody who wins this truck wants to put grill speakers, it's gonna be right here in the back. And this is the hole, pretty much, where it's gonna go.
So if you guys want to reinstall it, just put it right back here. It'll be behind here. That'll control your outside speakers.
Yeah. La de la brown hood? Damn, Renee with the freaking menudo and burritos. There you go, buddy. Damn, with the freaking aluminum and everything. A ver, guárdala.
¿La traes ahí?
Damn! Nice shirt. Damn, everyone's wearing Big Old Crew shirts. Yo te regalaba todo, pero no has comprado nada, so ya no voy a regalar nada. All right, guys, you guys seen we did the the system install, the center console top cover install. Now all that's left is the notch and the radiator, and she'll be one of you guys. But like I said, this, while you guys are watching this, it is the last day ready to get entered for the truck. So if you guys been watching since the beginning of this build, or even my own personal build or the first giveaway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I appreciate all the support, and I'm gonna throw in a discount code right here for only you guys that are watching, because I know some people don't watch the videos, but here's a discount for you guys. It's gonna be, I think, the highest discount I've given so far. So you guys enjoy it. But yeah, we're gonna be filming the truck right now, get those last videos out for you guys, and man, can't wait to see where it's going. I have a feeling it's gonna go out of state, so let's see. Where do you think it's going, bro?
Out of state, bro. A lot of people are getting shit out of state.
Yep. Mike, where do you think the truck's going?
Staying in Cali.
Staying in Cali?
Yep.
NorCal, SoCal, SoCal?
Somewhere in Cali, I'm not sure where.
That's crazy. But yeah, this is a beautiful shot. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and good luck, everybody. Peace out.
That's a sad video.
How do you feel, bro?
Well, we had ups and downs. I'm sad. That's gonna go to a new home. So if you guys don't want it, just hit me back up and I'll go buy it right now. ASAP, cash on hands.
Damn.